Why do we race? Why do we push ourselves to the limits? Is it to find calmness in the chaos? Is it to overcome our fears? Do we race to grow stronger? Is there something more than just a thrill? The truth is, there is no simple answer to those questions. Because the race is every racer's own story. But the fact is that we always will.